Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a useful Excel feature that can save you a ton of time when working with data transposing values. Transposing allows you to change the orientation of your data quickly and easily, and we're going to show you how to do it. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start with the basics. I have a simple Excel spreadsheet here with data that's organized in rows and columns. Select the data you want to transpose. In this case, I'm going to select this data right here. Copy it. Instead, move your cursor to an empty cell where you want the transposed data to start. Right-click again, and this time, select Paste Special. In the Paste Special submenu, you'll see an option called Transpose. Click on it, and there you have it. The data has been transposed from rows to columns. It's that simple. Whether you're working with simple data or more complex spreadsheets, this feature can be a real time saver. Give it a try and see how it can make your Excel tasks easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more Excel-related content, see you in the next video.